Hi, Jason here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make money with Chat GPT. I've actually been amazed as to the amount of entrepreneurial people out there in the world who've been looking online, especially on YouTube, for videos on how to make money with this amazing technology that is Chat GPT. So let's show you one very quick and easy, simple way that uses perhaps one of Chat GPT's most powerful features to help you just go out there and start earning some money very quickly. Well, one of the things that it does best is to create content. So what do we need to do? We need to go find customers who want content, written content, articles, YouTube video scripts, anything like that. But in particular, I quite like using ChatGPT to produce SEO blog posts. So if we go to a website like Upwork, where you can go ahead and register for free to become a freelancer, then you're able to go through and start bidding on jobs. And I recommend, if you're going to do this, let's just say that you do want to write SEO blogs using ChatGPT. You'll type in the search for SEO blog and start looking to see what there is in the way of jobs, what kind of content do they want. And you need to make sure that the articles or blog posts that the customers want written, it does not have content that's going to be needed after 2021, because when you're using ChatGPT, it goes up to 2021 in terms of the data that it has to work from. So if somebody's asking for, some current SEO blog posts on the latest football results or something, you're not going to be able to write good articles with that with ChatGPT for them. So go through and have a look. Now let's see what people are paying here. This one here, guest blogging for a business to business niche. They're looking for an SEO writer, $10 to $20 per hour. We've got somebody else looking for SEO friendly articles as well here. They've got a budget of $1,000. And if we just keep going through, you can see all sorts. This is a good one here I saw earlier. It says SaaS and technology blog writer. You can get loads of brilliant articles written with ChatGPT, GPT even. My God, can't they just call it something easy? This person here is even advertising for a ChatGPT AI-powered content writer, and they're going to pay $5 to $10 an hour for you to just use a free software tool and churn out great content for them. And at the end of this video, by the way, I'll link to another video that will teach you how to use ChatGPT to write these articles to a really high quality, so that these people are really happy to pay you well for them. I myself am actually outsourcing this process right now, so I know people are willing to pay for this kind of service because I'm doing it myself. And then also, if we have a look through here, there's other stuff here. Looking for an expert writer. What are they looking for? Female writer. And remember that using ChatGPT, you can get them to write in a feminine or masculine way. You can control the kind of writing that it does. This one here is saying they're looking for someone who has experience in writing novels, almost all genres, especially romance. Well, you could easily get a very famous writer who writes romantic novels and go to ChatGPT and just literally say, write me the following story in the style of that particular author. So you are all of these people. You are, all of the writers out there when you've got ChatGPT to work for you. And the other place you can go to as well is Fiverr, of course, and offer your services out. Right here, I will write an engaging article that is SEO friendly. This woman has 1,000, likes or 1,000 reviews, 5-star, and her prices start at $50. And I'm telling you, if you're using ChatGPT right, and again, watch the video that I'm going to show you at the end of this, it will show you how to do it. But in a nutshell, what you're doing is you're asking it to write you an article, and you're going to get the title, you're going to get all of these outlines, and then you're going to write about each section. You don't just say, write me a 1,000 word article on this. That will give you an article, but it won't be super duper high quality, which is what we're aiming to do, because that's how you're going to get paid the most by using ChatGPT. But another thing that I want to point out is when you do go ahead and you write an article with this software, is to rewrite it or paraphrase it. You can use it, Quillbot. There's a link underneath this video to Quillbot. They have a free account. You can actually sign up for a free account, and then you would just paste in your text here, press paraphrase, and it will rewrite that content in such a way that it will pass all of the AI content detectors. And there's a lot of them, so many of them in fact, that I decided to make my own directory of them so that you can go and test your work before you hand it back to a client and make sure that it's of a very high quality and also passes AI detection. Now, some customers may not even care. As you've seen, some people are even advertising for people to use Chat GPT. And I've also seen other people saying, can you write with my Jasper account, another AI writer? So you don't have to worry about that. Obviously, we don't want to deceive anybody. But if the client is very happy with your work, ultimately you are providing a great service and deserve to be paid for it. Even though you had the help of this wonderful software that is Chat GPT. But yeah, go to here. And this is chatgptdetectors.com. You will see a link to this underneath this video as well. And you can just go and test your work out with any one of these. This one is my favorite, originality.ai. You literally just kind of log in and then you can sign up as well here. It's very, very cheap. I'm talking seriously cheap, like 1 cent to scan 100 words of content to see if your content goes through. So I really recommend this. Like if you stick $20 in here, you're going to be fine for a lot of words. And so that's a great way, a simple way that you can go ahead right now and literally use this new technology that is ChatGPT to go and make money online. Just really speeding up the work. Obviously, the capability for you to be able to do this has always been there, but you may not be an expert in a particular niche that people are willing to pay for. So now, with the help of ChatGPT, you can be an expert in that niche. You can produce great content. So your world, has just opened up. This has really enabled you to make a lot more money being a writer who's an expert in so many different things now. So it's really good. Now, if you found this video useful, please do like this video. Just encourages me to bother to make more, really, I suppose, to help people out. And then subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos based around AI, sales funnels, internet marketing, and all of that good stuff. And at the end of this, I'll put a video up where it will teach you the entire process I use to produce some amazing SEO-friendly blog posts. And a lot of people are reporting back that they are ranking really, really well using the technique that I do. Thanks again for watching. I hope you found it useful, and I'll see you in another video soon.